Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 260 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. It is this section of the people that the corporation has to look after because they are the people who require insurance cover. Schemes like insurance cover for sweepers and coolies in the railway stations are examples of the unorganized labor which the corporation has already undertaken. But these schemes are not known to the people for whom they are intended, and the beneficiaries still do not know the advantages of such schemes. Therefore, my suggestion is that the corporation should involve the people's representatives and the beneficiaries, and these popular schemes should be further expanded, and the people should know about such schemes of the General Insurance Corporation. Sir, one of the most important problems relating to insurance is the payment of compensation and insurance claim, particularly during natural calamities and during the communal and other riots. Sir, it has been my observation and concern that these claims are not cleared within a specific period of time. I would plead with the government and with the Honorable Minister that special instructions should be given to the GIC that such schemes should be settled in a stipulated time. Sir, another important thing for the corporation is to seek the cooperation of registered trade unions to implement some of the progressive measures implemented by the General Insurance Corporation. Sir, the trade unions in the organized sector could play a pivotal role in the implementation of the schemes meant for poorer sections and industrial laborers. Today, what is happening is that the General Insurance Corporation is implementing on its own, and the trade union bodies are not taken into confidence, and therefore they lack the drive and the initiative. Sir, one of the charges against the General Insurance Corporation is that it collects more and disburses less. In this connection, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister what has been the claim settlement ratio and whether it compares well with the business of the corporation. Sir, another important issue at stake is the formation of a comprehensive crop insurance scheme. The present scheme should be expanded to some more crops, and the outstanding payments under the crop insurance scheme should be made immediately. Sir, this is a burning issue in the state of Gujarat, where rupees 110 crores are yet to be paid by GIC, and this is a very crucial issue. I, therefore, request the Honorable Minister that the disbursal under the crop insurance scheme, particularly in the states like Maharashtra and Gujarat, should be made immediately so that we can avoid agitations, particularly from the farming community in these states.